A fellow landlord of mine just gave me an old microwave, so we're gonna give it a good home, put it to good use. But first, we need to run to the store and grab a few things. Mama has a new baby. She can't carry you anymore. It's a gutsy animal to try and claw. Here we go. Oh my gosh. She might, oh. We're gonna try microwaving this CD. Hope you don't mind if we lose the P. Diddy. So we're gonna try and light this light bulb up that's in a cup of water inside of this microwave right here. Oh my God, the light bulb's turning on. That's awesome.